sing it out. And it feel in my soul.